not so long ago have I come across some key secrets to the internet success that has to do with automation. So I am here to share with you what I've learned. So let's get started. My name is Amena Thornton. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that now and pause the video. Go do that. It's important. These videos are not offered anywhere else on any of my other stuff. Sometimes you'll see little bits and pieces of clips and things from the podcast, from the courses that I do, from private training groups I throw in, but reality here, if you guys subscribe to this channel, you're going to get so much free information. I need you to subscribe to share this with other people out there to obtain this information. So go ahead, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also, go ahead and like this video after today, after this little training session. So let's get started. Anyhow, I am so grateful for you, and you're amazing and awesome. Let's just start there, because it's always good to recognize people when they're doing amazing things in your life. And you are doing amazing things in your life right now by taking this moment to learn instead of indulging in things that are not going to serve your future. So some key things that I have implemented in my own workflow that has saved me time, money, also, hiring people, so training people that you can literally do in your workflow right now, that top players are doing right now. So I need you to write down this information so you can go and sign up for the services. All right, you're going to need Calendarly. This is going to be to track all your inflow, right? All your contacts, as well as it's going to keep you organized. And I'll give you some tips and stuff on Calendarly. Okay, so 2, you're going to need to get ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, amazing, easy way to do web pages, landing pages, also do your sales and marketing through that. So I'll tell you some more about why you need ClickFunnels here in a second. 3, you need a website. Period. You just need a website, not because you're going to get traffic to it. So let's just take that off to the side, unless you are really going to start a full-time job blogging and writing amazing content that is going to be searched by the web crawlers. You're going to put a lot of work into SEO work. It is just to be used as validation. So if you run into somebody, if quickly need to tell somebody where to get more information about you and your services and things like that, the easiest way is just to have a website. Just get a website, period. And I'll tell you what the one I use. And then I'll give you some ideas of other ones that you can use in its place. Okay, so you've got Calendarly to keep you organized and set up your appointments. You've got ClickFunnels to do your front end and your marketing system, even your payments. And you've got, let's see, Calendarly, ClickFunnels, and a website. Okay, so now what you need to get Keep. So it used to be called, or you might have heard this term before because it goes by this name too. It's called something soft. Something soft. What was it? I can't think of it now. Now that I'm saying it, let's see if I wrote it on my notes. It's called something soft. I can't even think of the name, which is crazy. Anyhow, so Keep, it's Keap. I think it used to be called, oh goodness, it's right on the top of my tongue. Have you ever had that happen where it's like sitting there, it's just like dangling, and you're just like, oh my goodness, I see it, I envision it, but I cannot say it. Just go to Keep. And for this, you're gonna be able to track your people that connect to you. It's not so much really the best CRM. There really is no good CRM. Really, pen and paper is probably your best bet with CRM, just because the time it takes you to get that information and take it and use it is just a huge waste of time. But it is going to track your emails, and it's going to also automate your emails. And you can also do little quick landing pages. You can do quick follow-ups. You can do blasts. So It is the best tool out there for your automation, for your emails, and also keep track of what I'm going to tell you next. The last tool I need you to go get is, you've got two choices here. You could do MailChimp, or you could do Aweber. So I do Aweber because I've been with Aweber for a very long time, since early 2000s. And I know they're reliable, trustworthy, and they do a good job. Plus their formats on newsletters is amazing. So if you want to put a little bit more than just a sales pitch together, if you want to have like a community newsletter, I highly recommend going through Aweber and doing that. And plus they give you like all these articles on building your following, as well as what you should be putting in your newsletter. And like I said, it's just community-based, more way of marketing, not all sales. So those are the ones. So let's see if I can remember them all, because I didn't quite write them all down. But these are the ones I use, and that's why it's so easy to remember. All right. So first, you're going to need not keep. What was the first one? Now I said, see, I should be writing my notes, and this is why you have to get a notepad and start writing your notes. And I'm going to start writing my notes too. So let me see what I said. So I remember first I told you need to get what? And I can't remember. Like I said, I know 3 was a website, 4 was keep, right? And then it was ClickFunnels. We talked about ClickFunnels. That was 2. What was 1 now? I can't, now it's going to drive me absolutely nuts until I rewind this video for myself and take the notes. So we got ClickFunnels, we got the website, we got Keep, we got email, marketing. And I know there was one more on that too. See, this is why you need to take notes so you don't forget, because I get so excited about the information. Sometimes I just don't think of, where I started and all the information. I've got some general notes, but it's not really like laid out, and I wanted to make it simpler on you guys. So make sure that you grab your notepad and rewatch this video. All right, so we've got ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you need that because what it's going to do is going to make things simpler. It's going to be a learning curve, just to let you know, but it is a lot of drag and drop. You need to save often, because it often does like have these errors, and you've got to like close everything down and start over, and it sucks. Yes. But it is really cool that you can change the font, you can change the colors to match your marketing, as well as you can collect payment. It's so easy to collect payment through PayPal or Stripe. And I know there's another one, but I don't ever use it. So you can take it right there and be done with it. A website, again, you need a website because it's just authority. You just need it to quickly give somebody your website address. They can go there, see about you, see what things you're doing. It's a quick 1-page type of thing, just to keep yourself organized. Don't expect traffic unless, like I said, you're going to spend all day doing SEO on that thing. Keep is going to be your CRM. Now, this is where you can actually download your marketing list and put it in to automate it. You can also do blast. You can also do lots of different follow-ups. You can also put in downloadables so people can get the downloads. You just need it. Trust me on this one. Pay the price, get the email. Now you remember the first one, Calendarly, because I use Calendarly to go hand in hand with my email marketing. Calendarly has an amazing follow-up system. So basically you create events in the Calendarly. They can be one-on-ones or group events. And in this, you can customize it with different emails, different follow-ups, as well as downloadables. So you're going to be able to automate that and Keep. So all of these work together. All right. So we've got Calendarly, we got ClickFunnels, we've got a website, we've got Keep, we've got your email marketing, and I swore I had another one, but like I said, this is why you take notes so you don't forget. Or unless that was it. So like I said, so I do the Calendarly. You get the Calendarly to give the links to people. Oh, I gotta throw in another one because this is gonna be a game changer. So if I missed one, I will do a follow-up video, but either way, so we've got Zoom. You have to do Zoom. So Calendarly for your contacts, to keep track of your events, to host special events, to host private sessions, to do group meetings. This is a place that's going to get all the data to people. You can also do forms to fill out where you can ask questions. It's just amazing, and it's super cheap. Then you got ClickFunnels. It's a little bit more expensive, but this is going to take care of your payments. This is going to take care of your front end. This is going to take care of your tracking to see if your marketing's doing well with your ads. Then you have your website. Your website is for you to quickly refer people. That's going to have a basic like who you are, also things that never really change, like where to contact you, articles that you might just throw out there randomly for other sources or freebies, so people can download those from your website instead of remembering some crazy like ClickFunnel address. So then you have Keep. Keep is going to be where you're going to automate everything. Like you're going to have some automation in some of these other things I mentioned, but this is like your go-to follow-up system. It's going to be amazing. Pay the money. It is totally worth it. Buy Keep. Okay, so then we've got email marketing. This is where you're just going to do a general collection of your email. You could send out newsletters. It's basically just a capture system. You're going to do a little like, hey, get this downloadable. You do little one-page landing pages, get their email address, put it in Key, do a bigger campaign. Zoom. Zoom, 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 Zoom. How I love Zoom. Goodness, the days of just like trying to record, to do a meeting, to do anything is so much easier now with Zoom. You can capture audio, you can capture video, you can quickly, edit it in your software. You can host large groups, you can host small groups, you can easily share your screen. It does amazing stuff. And you need Zoom if you want to become successful and have everything pretty much done for you. So it is just so easy because you can get that stuff, you can put it where it needs to go, and you're done. You don't have to like put it through other software. You don't have to like crop different things unless you want to crop them. Just trust me on this one. Zoom is amazing. I've been using it over a year and a half now, and I am just impressed about everything they do at Zoom. Okay, so again, we've got Calendarly, ClickFunnels, website, Keep, email marketing, and Zoom. And if I missed one, we'll do another video. So thank you so much for being here. Make sure that you subscribe, leave a comment saying how much has really like impacted your life, and go and sign up for these softwares because they are going to change the way you do business online. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. My name's Amena K. Thornton. Subscribe, click the notification so you never miss another video. Take care.